The Toyota RAV4 Hybrid. Everyone says buy it. Bestseller, reliable, saves gas. But nobody's talking about the free things that actually cost owners money after they sign. I'm not talking about the sticker price. I'm talking about year, 2 year, 4 year. The stuff that shows up after the honeymoon. I have got the receipts. Let's go. Before starting the video, subscribe to the channel because your one subscribe helps us to grow. Let's start the video. First thing they don't tell you, that battery. It's not forever. Toyota warranties it for 10 years or 150,000 miles. Sounds great. Here's what they don't put in the brochure. After year 8, battery degradation is real, not dead, degraded. You will lose 15, maybe 20% of your electric assist range. That's 41 miles per gallon. Now you are 34, 35. Still good, but you are not getting what you are paid for. And Toyota, they know. That's why the warranty drops to 70% capacity, not 90, 70. They built in the fade. Replacement cost if you are out of warranty, $4,000 to $6,000 installed. That's not a repair. That's a second down payment. And here's the kicker. Third-party batteries. Toyota software locks most of them out. You are married to the dealer. Second thing, towing. Toyota saves 1,750 pounds on the hybrid. The gas model 3,500, they bury that in the specs. Nobody at the dealerships volunteers it. You buy this thinking you will pull a small camper to the Smokies, a couple jet skis to Lake Texoma. You can barely but load it up. The hybrid CVT screams, the engine runs constant, your miles per gallon tends to 22-23. You bought a hybrid to save gas. Now you are burning more than a V6 Tacoma. And the tow mode they added in 2026. It holds gears better, it doesn't give you more power, doesn't give you more cooling. It's software pretending to be hardware. If you tow regularly, the hybrid's wrong tool, period. Buy the gas or buy the 4Runner. But don't let a salesman tell you this. Handles light towing fine. Fine is doing the job without destroying your mileage. Third thing, tires. The RAV4 Hybrid comes with road rolling resistance rubber. Maximizes miles per gallon. Maximizes range. Wears out fast. 25-35,000 miles done. And replacement, you can just throw any tire on. The hybrid's drivetrain is sensitive to rolling diameter. Wrong tire throws off the all-wheel drive system. Triggers warning lights. Some owners report power loss. So you are locked into specific tires. More expensive, less selection. And because the hybrid's heavier than the gas model by about 300 pounds, you are burning through them faster anyway. The weight savings you got from the battery, it punishes your tires. All seasons in Michigan, good luck. You are replacing at 2 years, not 4. Budget $1,200 minimum. They don't put that in. The total cost of ownership's calculator. Fourth thing, resale. Everyone says hybrid holds value right now. Sure, 2026, 2028. Different game, more hybrids on the road. More competition, Honda CR-V hybrid, Hyundai Tucson hybrid, Kia Sportage, Ford Escape, Subaru Crosstrek. Every year more options. Your rare hybrid becomes common. Demand drops, supply explodes. And if battery replacement costs keep climbing, buyers get spooked. That 10-year warranty doesn't transfer the confidence. It transfers the paperwork. Private buyers see hybrid and think expensive repair, not fuel savings. The math flips. I'm not saying it won't hold value. I'm saying the sure. Bet isn't sure anymore. The gas RAV4. Proven, boring, bulletproof. That's what used cars buyers in America actually want. Last thing, the break-even. Hybrid costs $2,000 more than the gas. At current prices, $3.50 a gallon. Driving 12,000 miles a year, you save about $900 annually on fuel. $2,000 divided by 900, 2 years, 3 months to break even. Sounds good. But add the tire premium, the insurance bump, some carriers charge more for hybrids, the battery anxiety, the towing limitations forcing you to rent a truck twice a year, the resale uncertainty, real break even. 4 years, maybe 5. And if gas drops back under $3, add another year. You are not saving money. You are prepaying it. RAV4 Hybrid's a good truck. I'm not saying don't buy it. I'm saying buy it with eyes open, not with a salesman's pitch ringing in your ears. If they saved you from a surprise in the finance office, hit the like, drop a comment if you own one. Am I wrong on the tires? Am I wrong on the battery? I want the data. Subscribe for the numbers they bury in the page 47. See you in the next time.